Welcome to Tejasya's PassionTV shows. In today's cooking vlog series, I'm going to show you a special recipe. So most of the parents are working, so children are alone at home, so they may feel hungry. So in this recipe, there is no fire, cutting of vegetables or grinding. So are you interested to know the recipe? So let's go to the kitchen. So friends, the main ingredients for the special recipe is grated coconut. So let's see whether my mother has kept grated coconut in the fridge. The fridge like this. Open it. So luckily the grated coconut is there. My mother has kept it there. So the ingredients for the special recipe is some soaked poha, some jaggery, some ghee and grated coconut. Check the description box for the ingredients. So let's see the preparation. First add little soaked poha. Then let's add some jaggery. Next, let's add some grated coconut. Now let's add some ghee. Now let's mix this whole content. If you want, you can add milk, but I liked it without milk itself. So let's mix it nicely. So let's taste this sweet poha. The sweet poha is so yummy. Please try it at home. Let me know in the comment box. So friends, please subscribe to my Tejasya's Passion TV channel to get